Hello students, good morning. Welcome to the video of exercise of our chapter number 3, that is fiber to fabric. We have seen the chapter, we have seen how wool yarns are prepared, how silk yarns are prepared. Now exercise. Question number 1. You must be familiar with the following nursery rhymes. That is Baba, Black Sheep, Have You Any Wool? And the other poem, it is Mary Had a Little Lamb whose fleece was white as snow. Based on that poem, you have to answer the question. Which parts of the black sheep have wool? Black sheep के कौन से पार्ट में wool होता है हमने देखा था. Which part of the black sheep have wool? The hairy skin, right, of the black sheep, that is called fleece. It has wool. The hairy skin. Second question, what is meant by the white fleece of the lamb? White fleece means the white colored hairy skin, that is called white fleece. Then question number 2, the silkworm is A caterpillar, B larva. Choose the correct option. What is a silkworm? It is both. It is also caterpillar, it is also larva. So the answer is C, that is both A and B. Third option, right? Question number 3. Which of the following does not yield wool? Yak, yes, it gives wool. Camel also gives. Some kind of goat also gives. Yes, dog. Woolly dog. It does not yield wool. Answer is fourth option, woody dog. What is meant by the following terms? Means you have to define rearing, shearing and sericulture. What is rearing? The process of keeping, feeding, breeding. And taking care of economically useful animals. It is called rearing. Then shearing, the process of removing fish of the ship along with the thin layer of skin. It is called shearing. Then sericulture. What is sericulture? The rearing of silkworm. It is called sericulture. Fifth, given below is a sequence of steps in the processing of wool. Which are the missing steps at them? We have seen it is properly written on page number 27. First it is shearing, then comes scouring, then sorting is given, then comes dyeing, right, rolling and making yarn. So this process is given on page number 27. Question number 6. Make sketches of the 2 stages in the life history of a silk moth which are directly related to the production of silk. Mention that only 2 stages with a diagram which are directly related to the production. It will come silkworm and the cocoon, right? These 2 stages you can draw. You can draw the picture of a silkworm and a cocoon. Question number 7. Out of the following, which are the 2 terms related to silk production? Some names are given and also the hints are given. First hint, it is silk production involves cultivation of mulberry leaves and rearing silkworms. Silk production में दोनों आ जाता है. Cultivation of silkworm also and of mulberry leaves also. And scientific name of mulberry is Morus alba. Underline this line, it can come in true, false, in fill in the blanks, in one sentence answer, in choose the correct option, anywhere. Scientific name of mulberry is Morus alba. Okay, now you can say the answer that which 2 terms are related to silk production. Yes, sericulture and moriculture, that is Morus alba. From that you can derive the name moriculture. So answer is sericulture and moriculture. Now match the following. Question number 8. Scouring. What is it? It is cleaning the sheared skin. Option E. Mulberry leaves. It is the food of silkworm. Then yak, it is a wool yielding animal. Cocoon, what is cocoon? Yes, it yields silk fibers. Question number 9. Given below is a crossword puzzle you have to solve. Right? Down and across. First 1D, down with first one. Thorough washing. What is it called? Scoring. So you can write score. SCOUR. Right? Score. 1D you have to write score. Then 1A, keeps warm. What will come? Wool. 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 Then 2D, animal fiber. You have to write the name of animal fiber which matches it with it. The third alphabet, it is L, right, of wool. So you can write silk, SILK, silk. Then 2A, its leaves are eaten by silkworm, mulberry, yes. Then 3D, long thread-like structure. What is it called? Fiber. And 3A, that is hatches from egg of moth, caterpillar. What will come? Caterpillar. So this was the puzzle, and here we are completing. You read the activities, right? We are completing our chapter number 3. You have to solve the exercise at your own. Thank you.